What up, you guys? You're tuning in with Southern Summer Boss, and I'm back at it again today. Today I'm going to be making one of my favorite things my mom used to make when I was little, and believe it or not, it's really simple, man. It's one of the desserts. I used to have a sweet tooth all the time, so all it called for is some eggs, sugar, butter, and pure vanilla. So I'm gonna give you guys a minute to guess in the comments what I'm making. Hey mom, if you watching, I'm pretty sure you can guess what it is. I told you the ingredients, and I called and asked you for the ingredients, so hopefully you can remember. Alright, so I'm gonna use 4 eggs, half a cup of sugar, 1 stick of butter, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla. Hey, so yeah, you guys, if you haven't already guessed, I'm making egg custard pie, man. I used to love this. It's just really plain and simple. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut it on, get all the ingredients combined together. Hey y'all, my wife hid one ingredient from me. I was like, hold up, I'm missing one. So I'm gonna use 12 ounces of condensed milk. I was like, it's looking a little low. Alright guys, so we can go ahead and pour our filling inside the pie crust. And we'll go ahead and put it in the oven for about 45 minutes on 350 degrees. Stay tuned, you guys. So here I have it, the final product of the egg custard pie with your boy Southern Smoke Boss, man. About to go ahead and cut it to this thing. Bring back some childhood memories. Ooh, that looks good. I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in and checking out your boy Southern Smoke Boss today. Hey, look forward to bringing y'all more content like this in the near future. Hey, comment some things below what you guys like to see. Thanks for tuning in today. Peace out.